With your processor configured, your video wall is now essentially a big computer monitor. Whatever source you plug into the back of the processor will appear on your video wall. Our media source is a video playing on a laptop.
We'll use an HDMI cable to connect the computer to the processor. Press the button on the front of the processor that matches your input source. Now, some processors will automatically resize your content to the exact dimensions of your video wall. This feature is called scaling, and you can easily enable it by pressing the scale button right here. Now that your video wall is up and running, what happens if a pixel goes out? Every LED bulb is located on a larger component like this, called an LED module. Our LED modules have small arrows on the back to show you the proper orientation when installing them, and they attach to the front of a panel with small magnets, no cables. This product has 4 LED modules per panel. Here's how fast you can replace a squareV brand LED module. And that's it.
Now you've finished our basic LED video wall training course. We hope you've enjoyed learning, and if you want to learn more about the products you saw in the videos, or if you just have any general questions, no strings attached, give us a call or visit our website at www.squarevled.com. Thanks.